Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in July 2026. The 4th of July sale is behind us. Your next parking lot sale should be happening around mid-August. But Harbor Freight just dropped a ton of new coupons for the rest of July. So of course, stay tuned to this video. I'll break everything down for you, give you my top picks and what I think are the best deals this month. All right, let's not waste any time and let's get started. So first up is a deal on some air compressors. We have the Fortress 27-gallon, 200 PSI high performance. This is their best performing air compressor that Harbor Freight sells. And this is their vertical 27-gallon air compressor. And this is $50 off at $350. You get 2 brass ports on this. I also like this side hook where you could hang an air hose or something like that to it. But this is a great price for this air compressor. And then they also have the 2-gallon from Fortress. This is the ultra quiet design, sort of your portable job site air compressor here, up to 135 PSI rated, and this is $180. That's $20 off. Next up, we have the Daytona 3-ton Super Duty low profile floor jack. It is $40 off at $250. I love the metallic purple color here, but this is also available in red, orange, yellow, and green, all with that metallic finish. Next up is the Maddox Portable OBD2 Code Reader. This is a great price at just $35. This one also integrates into the Repair Solutions 2 app. I have another code reader that I've had for a long time, and that uses the same app, and it is really helpful in diagnosing what's going on with your car. But these are super easy to use and can save you a trip to the shop or even AutoZone or somewhere like that. But a great price here at $35. Next up is a nice Icon deal. This is the 12-inch S-Jaw Quick Adjust Plier Wrench. This is on sale for $15. Has that nice fine-tuning adjustment knob, so you can get a really tight grip on a bunch of different bolts and things. Here we have the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive flex head long handle ratchet. That is 15% off at $28. Also from Pittsburgh, we have their curve job locking plier set. It's a 3-piece set here. Great for using on sort of odd-shaped stuff. This is $9 for the 3-piece set. Zip ties are obviously a great purchase over at Harbor Freight. These are your extra long 24-inch versions, a 10-pack here at just $2. Next up is the Braun 200 lumen LED pen light. This is on sale for just $5. They also have the Vanguard 25-foot 12-gauge triple tap extension cord here at just $20. If you have any pressure washing to do this month, they have the Bauer 2000 PSI 1.3 gallons per minute electric pressure washer on the nice cart here. Now they actually sell 3 versions of these, the 2000 PSI, I think the 2300 PSI, and then there's a 3000 PSI. So depending on your needs, just keep those in mind. But this is the cheapest one here, and it is on sale at $160. Here's a nice impact rated hex shank, so it's quick release Hercules titanium drill bit set, 7-piece set here for $9. You also have this almost 50% off random orbital palm sander. This is the one that's corded from Bauer at $20. If you do your own car washes, one of these is great to avoid scratching up your car accidentally. This fits right in a 5-gallon bucket, will separate the dirt from the water and get that dirt off of your sponge. But this is on sale for just $5. There's a new paint sprayer from Avanti. This is their upgraded version. Now it does come with an upgraded price. This is on sale for $100. That is pretty much double the price of the previous version. But this one's high performance. It claims it has 40% higher pressure and 25% of a larger spray pattern than the other one. So it could do thicker coats of paint and stain. But again, that is $20 off right now at $100. Everybody should really have one of these magnetic sweepers. Here's a nice mini version, 17-inch. I have this exact one. It's been great for me, but this will avoid rolling over any screws or bolts or nails in your tires, or even if you're out back in your backyard, you don't want your kids accidentally stepping on any of that stuff. So great peace of mind after you do a project to run this thing over anywhere you were, and this is just $10. Here's the side tray for the 4-drawer tech cart. It is on sale for $15. That is 25% off. We're going to see later in this video when I get to the Inside Track Club member deals, 4-drawer cart is on sale for $150 for them. They also have this Central Machinery dust collector accessory kit. So you get all the clamps, the hose, and the adapters for $55. Here's a great deal on some spring clamps. Now these are just 69 cents. If you're going to be doing any outdoor events this summertime, these are great for holding down tablecloths on picnic tables. Also check out this from Gordon. It's a utility blade dispenser, has 50 blades preloaded into it, so you can always have a fresh blade whenever you need it. Can hang it on the wall, can hang it on a pegboard, and this is $4. From Quinn, they have their 2-inch putty knife here at just $2. That's a great price. The Icon magnetic tool mat. This was a hot item not too long ago. Still kind of is a hot item, but this is on sale for $20 through August 13th. This thing is pretty awesome. It can hold a surprising amount of weight. I think Harbor Freight's been getting some competition from other places like Walmart and Amazon, and that's great. It's been knocking this price down. Next up is the stubby pressure washer gun. I love this thing. Gives you so much more control, especially if you're doing a car wash. And this is on sale for $23. The Harbor Freight job site markers are a great deal. A 2-pack here at just 99 cents. That's 50 cents a piece. Some spray bottles. These are great for using leftover herbicides or pesticides that you have going on. They're really nice spray bottles. And it's a 2-pack here for just $5. Next up, we're going to get to some Inside Track Club member deals. Again, that's the yearly subscription that gets you early access to the deals and also some extra deals like we see right here. And first up here is the Icon 1/4-inch drive standard and metric modular general service socket set. It's a 48-piece set here. You get the premium ratchet along with it, and this is $90. The very popular 12-gallon Hercules dust extractor. This is a much better value than the Festool version, but this is $50 off right now at $320. We talked about that 4-drawer tech cart that's on sale for $150. You can also pick up the Pittsburgh magnetic pickup tool. It is just $2.59. Can't go wrong there. A 6-piece set of the Pittsburgh pliers. Again, lifetime warranty on all these tools at Harbor Freight. It's just $10. It's 33% off the normal price. I love this extra long metal power strip. This is great if you're building out a charging station for all your tool batteries. And this is on sale for $15. I like that they're nice spaced apart so you can really take advantage of every outlet on this. Here's a new item from Braun. This is their 10,000 lumen LED tripod work light. Now it is corded, so that could either be an advantage or disadvantage depending on how you look at it, but this is on sale for $80. These hardwood dollies are really nice. This one's on sale for $23. I actually made a custom rolling cart for my Tough Built Stack Tech system. It was much cheaper than the Tough Built version and really works just as well. We're about halfway through the mowing season, so your lawnmower blade probably needs to be sharpened. And a great way to do that is with one of these flap discs. This is your Hercules version, and they're on sale for over half off at just $6. Your battery float maintainer and charger is just $8. These are great if you plan on storing a vehicle or even a lawn tractor or something like that over the wintertime. This will keep that battery healthy and working the next time you need it. If you have any off-roading to do, these soft shackles are really easy to use and quick to put on. They won't seize up on you like a D-ring sometimes can. But these are 25% off at $30. A great thing to have in the back of a truck. You also have the Bauer portable inflator here. Now it is tool only, but this is just $20. Here's a nice oscillating multi-tool blade set here, a 4-piece set. You're getting all the most commonly used blades, and this is just $10. From Doyle, they have their precision flush cutters. These are really nice. This is just $6. That's half off the normal price. If you find yourself on a boat this summer, make sure you have proper lighting. This is a Braun 2200 lumen rechargeable. It's waterproof spotlight, and it's $20. Here's the complete set of the Quinn putty knives. You also get that multi-tool painter's tool thing, and this is $9. Here's a nice 8-pattern thumb control. I like that. Hose nozzle from Niagara at just $8. They also have the Bauer bucket tool bag. These are great and a great way to store things. Easy, quick, and easy. And this is just $8. This hitch ball mount from Hallmaster has pretty much any situation covered. You got the riser, you got the triple ball on the end. So you should be good in pretty much any trailer situation here. This is $140. They also have some air nailers on sale. Here's your 18 gauge brad nailer. That's on sale for $40. They have the 18 gauge crown air stapler for $30. And then your framing nailer here at $160. And then last up, we have the US General magnetic tray with the screwdriver holder. That's on sale for $10. I always love these. You can get them in any color to match your color scheme of your cabinet. And these are always super well made. But that's your deals for July. Let me know if I missed out on any. Again, be on the lookout for the next parking lot sale. It's going to be mid-August, so probably late July, early August. I'll have the leak of the ad. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give the video a like if you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.